Hi, welcome to our new 3D printing video. Today, we are printing an upgrade for our AMS 2 Pro. After removing the prints from the printer, now we are removing the brims from the print. This is for our second AMS 2 Pro. After all the brim has been removed, now we are adding all the dried silica beads into all the containers. To install the new upgrades, first we need to remove all the filaments from the AMS 2 Pro. Now we are adding all the upgrades into the AMS 2 Pro. After adding all the upgrades, now we can finally add back all the filaments into the AMS 2 Pro.